Hi, my name is Alejandra Gonzalez Perez. I am 18 years old. In my free time, I like going out with my friends. I live in Marquetalia Caldas with my mom, my dad, my sister, and my pets. The last vacation, I went to Bogota and visit some place. And in my next vacation, I planning to go to Bogota too. I am studying agronomic engineering. My hobbies are I watching movies, painting pictures, and listening to music. Then I will explain the recipe. Cheesecake. Ingredient list: 300 grams condensed milk, 1 pound cheese curd, and 4 eggs. Instructions: in the beginning, add the 1 pound of cheese curd, the 4 eggs, and 300 grams of condensed milk to the blender and blend to a liquid consistency. Secondly, preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Next, add the liquid consistency to bowl previously flavored. Then place the bowl into oven about 40 minutes. Finally, put on the plate and enjoy. Thanks.